In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create surveys in Go High Level. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in, so even if you're brand new to the platform, you'll be able to follow along. Go ahead and sign in to your Go High Level account, and once you're on your main dashboard, we're ready to begin. First, look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the option labeled Sites. This is where Go High Level keeps tools related to pages, forms, and of course, surveys. Click on Sites to open that section. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll down the sidebar a little, but it should be there. Once the Sites section is open, you'll see several options inside it. Here, you want to look specifically for surveys. Go ahead and click on Surveys. This will take you to the Survey Builder area, where you can manage any existing surveys and create new ones. On the Surveys page, you should see a button that says Create New. This is usually located towards the top right of the screen. Click on Create New to start building a fresh survey. This will open a new survey setup window or canvas, depending on how your account is laid out. Now it's time to fill in the details for your survey. Start by giving your survey a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, something like Customer Feedback Survey, March Campaign. You may also see fields for things like a description, a category, or an internal note. Use these to remind yourself and your team what this survey is for and where it will be used. You might also have settings for things like the survey URL, the language, or basic styling. Take a moment to adjust anything that matters to you here. A good practice is to keep the title and description simple and direct, so respondents immediately understand what the survey is about and why they're taking it. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts in the survey builder. Go High Level will guide you step by step. You'll be able to add questions, choose question types like multiple choice or short answer, rearrange the order of questions, and customize the look and feel. Continue through each prompt, saving your progress as you go, until your